Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mizan the Gamer. Today I'm doing a gaming video about Free Fire, and if you hit the subscribe button, because I'm gonna do a giveaway after we reach 100 subs this month. Okay? If you guys want to enter the giveaway, just comment down below what's your name, and if you want to be easier, you can just join my guild. Name is LANDEND. I'll give you time for that, and you can see I'm the guild leader, so you can just join. Okay guys, so now let's just get started with the game. But first, you guys might ask, why do I look like this, and why do I have a pet already? It's because I played for 1 year, but I still not yet did the video because I just started the channel. So should we just start? Oh yeah guys, if you guys ever want any other suggestions, you guys can comment down below. Don't be shy, I'll test out your game. But today is only one game, so it's gonna be Free Fire. Someone commented below, shout out to Yashil. Just kidding, I'm not even gonna I don't even know how to shout out. So wow, as you guys can see, this one, the one that I'm crouching next to, this is what is that? In Luck Royale, I'll show you later after the match what does that, where did she got that from. And this one also from Luck Royale, but it's already over, the event is over. As you can see, this guy's mask, it's about the new bundle, this bundle. I need zipline up my way there so I can show you correctly. The Vengeance, this one, this boy guy where I'm shooting, it's his one. In the girl one, I'm not sure if they're ever gonna release a bundle about that, because now in the Vengeance, as you guys saw, I actually pressed a thing right over there. Its name is Bounty Token. If you kill someone who does not have a gun and you don't have a gun, if you're lucky, you might get a gun from that bounty. The bounty gives you gun. As you can see, I'm zoomed in and gonna put my place in Clock Tower. You guys might ask, why am I gonna put it in Clock Tower? There's a car over there, and car deals so much damage. But if there's a motorcycle, I want to show you something. So let me just jump off. As you guys can see, like how my surfboard is, it has this guy. It was actually for free in an event. You must actually play, and this one was a Liberty versus Bringers. If you guys know it, just comment down below. Oh guys, it looks like there's no motorbike in the road, so I just have to go to the shed place. The shed is over here. As you can see, a car. Oh guys, I might just die because there's people already with guns, so I need to drive away fast. As you guys can see, I'm not that good in Free Fire, so I'm not sure about getting a booyah. And now I told you what is, I never told you what is a booyah before. The booyah is actually like a win in this game. It's like a win. Like if you guys ever played PUBG, winner chicken dinner, it's kind of like that. Oh my god, I'm getting shot at. There's an enemy. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna go and kill him right now with the car because I don't have anything. Oh shoot, this guy ran away. As you can see, I'm just running away. Oh, this is the guy that I saw. As you guys can see, I just got my glider is the most best thing you can have, because gliders make you fly. I'll show you after I medicate myself. Medikits will revive your health. Okay guys, if you guys ever played any shooting game, comment down below, because I want to know your opinion. When you guys you guys even play any game, just don't be shy and comment down below, because I need to know your opinion if you like this game or not. Okay guys, this is what glider does. It makes you fly, and as you guys can see at this place, at here they'll put this star, right? That's about bounty. They'll put a star in the weapon also. So, and this one it'll show you the safe zone, so you can go earlier before the safe zone like comes anywhere. As you can see, my health is not that good, so I'm just gonna revive myself while going. This hot air balloon gives you a lot of things, but eventually I can't go there yet because it's too far. If it's nearby me, I can go, but it's actually too far. As you guys can see, the car symbol, like they're showing half of it is like gray. That's telling you how long it'll take for it to get burned up. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of accidents, not on purpose. Kind of hard to drive a car inside Free Fire, but it's way more harder in real life. So as you can see, there's mostly cars in almost everywhere in the map. Almost, I said almost, like not everywhere has a car. It's kind of a rare spawn for cars to come. Like just now I told you in the road in Clock Tower, there usually will have a car, but it did not have this time. You guys might ask, what is this? This looks weird, right guys? Well, this is actually kind of weird too, so I'm not gonna blame you. Okay, I found someone's signal, so I'm just gonna go and kill them. As you can see, I'm just gonna go. Ooh, that guy is one hit KO. Guys, that was amazing. Let me just loot all the guys. How? Oh, as you guys see, the air ammo is for Scar, and see my bat skin. This is from the Vengeance one, but it's not permanent. You guys, if you guys log in very fast to Free Fire, in 26, if you log in, you will get this skin for free, permanently for free. So, I just wanted to tell you, if you guys want that for free, you guys can go and log in inside Free Fire. Just if you don't want anything hard, just go inside what is that? A guest account. If you don't want things hard. Okay, guys. Now this Jeep is gonna just die because it's useless. You guys ask, you don't have any more car. Well, actually, I saw a car over here that I'm willing to use to go and kill. But this is kind of easy for headshot because it's kind of open, not like the Jeep. You guys might ask, why am I not using this one? It's not that fast like the Jeep. It's not that fast like this sports car. The sports cars, as you can see, I'm going 2 times faster than my old car. Now if you guys can see, I'm just stuck. If I am really stuck, I really need to go and get out of this car and go to the next one. Oh guys, that actually never took any damage. Oh yeah guys, I needed to tell you this. Giveaways will start when we get 100 subs, okay? That if you guys want it. And if you guys still not yet saw my sister's our pop star putting makeup when mommy is not around, that's kind of funny, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, I found another Jeep. Jeep has low chances. I'm sorry if any of you like this. 2 more hits, that's it. Actually, it was 4 more hits. Okay guys, I'm just gonna run away. I don't want to lose any health. Oh yeah, guys, every time you must take the medikit because you don't know, in the car people can still headshot you. But it's very rare for people. As you guys can see, they're putting the alarm. The safe zone is shrinking. Well, actually, I was not focusing on the safe zone because the first safe zone only does 1 damage. Like, guys, that's so less. You don't need to even medicate yourself. Just go inhaler. And you guys might have not seen me collect any inhalers because there's no inhalers around. But I'll find it in the part 2 or this part itself. Because inhalers, in medikits you can't run and use it. But inhaler you can run and use it. But if you stop, it won't work. Okay guys, now I'm just going to the UAV to find some villains. If you guys are not new to this game, you guys are like, okay, but it's actually not that good to go inside the safe zone. As you guys can see, I just almost killed him. Now I need to actually kill him. As you guys can see, I'm trying to kill him. Oi! I'm getting shot at the back at the same time. Not that. Oh, guys, I died. I really hated to die. And now another guy died. What is this? A dying land? Yeah, actually, it kind of is. Okay, that is the badge. This one. You guys are asking why do I have 100? I wanted to do a video about this, but it kind of. I wanted to collect more badges, so I'm sorry. But if you guys want me to start over everything, you guys can. I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna do it on my other phone. And remember, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, just go in my guild, join my guild. That's it. And guys, you might ask, what is this? It gives you free things only for 3 days. So better just have it than lose it. Oh yeah guys, I was talking about the Luck Royale, right? This is the new one. If you guys want me to have it, I'm gonna have it after we get 100. As you guys saw, this is for the Rampage one. I told you about the girl, right? See, this is the girl's costume. It was a long time ago. It was like 5 days ago, but now it's gone. Yeah, and you guys saw a guy with the mask, right? The one that I first killed with my bounty. This one came in the Diamond Royale. The Arcane Seeker is kind of lame, but I'm gonna try to get it anytime. Okay guys, and you guys saw, what is this? This portal thing is for summoning this guy. And if I'm already done 54 times, if I do it 120, I'll get this skin for free. But it must cost a lot. You guys might be asking, what is this like this? That's called a summon airdrop. As you guys saw, I just got for 56. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a part 2 very soon. See you later.